Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, I am so excited because I haven't done a video like this in so long, but we're going to be unboxing a huge mystery box from Poshmark. This box retails for $199, but it has such an insane value in it. So you guys want to see what I got in here. Was this worth it? Well, then definitely keep watching. Okay guys, so back on August 7th of 2020, I actually opened a $79 Poshmark mystery box from Amy, and she reached out to me again last week asking if she can send me a $199 mystery box to unbox here on my channel, and I said absolutely. I had a great time working with her last time. She sells fantastic stuff. Now yes, these mystery boxes may be a little pricey, but you are getting high-end makeup. You guys actually look over her Poshmark account. She does great examples of her high-end mystery boxes. She makes sure you guys get your value, if not more, because she always adds in free items into the box, and usually she does like a little calculation of the prices to make it, to let you know that you are getting exactly what you paid for. She's definitely sent me samples of her work. I browsed her closet. She has sold over 1,000 mystery boxes. She has 83,000 followers, and I really did enjoy unboxing her Poshmark mystery box 2 years ago. So I'm so excited to finally be unboxing another one. So inside she has a cute little magnet where she posts her Poshmark page. So I'll make sure I'll link it down below. She also threw in like a little stickers right here, plus a little card that has a flamingo on the back. Like, how cute is that? That is so cute. Okay, so right here she's saying that my $199 mystery box is valued at approximately $417. So she did throw in the Dermalogica product that has a retail price of $59 as a free gift. So Amy, thank you so much. So this right here does cost $199, but it has a value of over $417, plus she throws in free gifts. So I'm so excited to see what we got in here because I have no idea what we're getting. She also includes a little price list, which I think is really great that she does that, so you can definitely add up the value yourself to show that you are getting exactly what you paid for and what you're promised. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm not gonna look at it yet though, just because I don't want to like have any spoilers, so I will have you guys look at it first. All right, you guys get to be the first ones to like look at that, but I don't want to look because I generally want to be surprised. So first thing we have in here is wrapped up. That is actually so pretty, and I'm so excited. I have not opened a mystery box in so long. I love mystery boxes. They're so much fun. Okay, so the first thing we have in here is a number 1 D Chanel. This is D20 Font Detente. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a foundation. It's a foundation. So she threw in a Chanel foundation. Now she's very sweet. Whenever you do communicate with her, she does tend to ask you what your foundation shades are, your concealer shades. Like, she actually asks you what your base products are, so she can try to match you as best as possible in case she does throw any like foundations, concealers, or setting powders in here. She does try to make it very, very easy for the person purchasing it to get the products that would be best geared towards them. So here we have a Chanel number 1 foundation. I have never in a million years to use a Chanel foundation because this shit is so expensive. I really want to look at the list, but I'm just gonna wait. I'll have it like listed right here for you guys, but I'm so excited. That is so cool. I kind of want to like see if how good of a match this is. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. Oh, you can tell this has never been used. Ooh. Oh, okay. This looks like this is gonna be a pretty good match. Ooh, it has a nice perfumey scent. Yeah, I could tell that this will probably be a little bit of a good match. It might be just a little light, but I can always tone that down with bronzers and whatnot. So that's going to be exciting. I have never used anything from Chanel, so that's really cool. Okay, so next we have something wrapped up in a little flamingo. Come on, that's so cute. Next, she threw in the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Push Up Lashes. Instant Volume Lengthen and 24-Hour Lift Effect from Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Dreamy Pop. That is so cool. I think I've only tried one mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. They got a mystery box from them, and I actually really do like it. So it's actually really cool to see this in here as well, if I can get this open. Ooh, I don't know if I tried this one before. This looks like it's going to be a brown mascara, which I don't really use browns that often, but that is a really like pretty shaping wand. So that's actually really cool. Coming in with the Charlotte Tilbury. Okay. All right, next, I love the fact that she wraps up everything. That's so cool. Next, we have something from, oh God, I don't know how to say this. Isla? I don't know how to say this. I'm so sorry, but this is going to be a Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. And I know this brand only because I always see it at the end caps at Sephora, but I've never tried this myself. So let's go ahead and swatch this. It's a lip oil, so you guys know I love my lip oils. I think I got it on my nose. So that is going to be the lip oil shade right there. Very beautiful. I'm so excited to try that out, especially because I've never heard of, especially since I've never tried anything from this brand before. So that's a Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. It's smoothing, hydrating, and has hyaluronic acid. Okay, so this is Dermalogica. This is the free gift that she had talked about. So she threw this in here. This is the Circular Hydration Serum. This is a long-lasting hydration for daily skin health. And she threw this in here. This does retail for $59. It is a water base. And I can't exactly tell what it does. It just helps to replenish hydration on the skin. Okay, that's awesome. Cool. All right, next we have a makeup brush from Makeup by Mario. What? That is so cool. Ooh, it's a nice like little fluffy, this is a EF2 brush. So this probably looks like it's gonna be like a highlighter brush or like a really big like blending brush. But that's actually really cool because I have recently started getting into his brand, but I've never tried any of his brushes, and I'm sure he has fantastic brushes. I mean, he's a celebrity makeup artist after all. Next, ooh, here's something big. Ah! That's actually so funny. So next we do have the Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped Palette. Now, if you guys did not know, I actually recently picked this up in a Sephora haul, and I did a review on this, and I actually generally really did enjoy the palette. It has a very, very heavily scented perfume scent, but this is a brand new palette that she threw in here. This is like a $50-something palette, and yep, there goes that perfume scent. So that is actually really cool that she threw this in here. So you guys already know where this is gonna go, because yeah, I don't need to have two of the same palettes, but that is so cool because I almost did not buy this palette. And could you imagine if I didn't and it came in here? I'd be like, ah, but it's still so cool this is in here because this is such a great palette. I really enjoyed it, and now I get to give it back to one of you guys. That's exciting. Wow, Amy, you're doing so good. Alrighty, next we have Stop. This is the NARS Laguna Bronzing Cream. This is in the shade Laguna 01. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, I really wanted to get this bronzer. What? This is so cool. I really wanted to get this bronzer. I ended up not getting it because I told you guys in the video that they didn't have my shade. When I stood there swatching stuff, they did not have my shade. So I didn't buy it, and it's here. Oh, this is so cool. I have to swatch it. Oh yeah, this is gonna be like a perfect like bronzing shade for me. Oh, that's so exciting. I absolutely want to try this, and this is a brand new product. Again, she's throwing in name brands in here, brand new products, and oh my god, that gets me so excited. God, Amy, this is freaking sick. This is freaking sick. Alrighty, next we have more goodies. This is like such a cool mystery box. Okay, next she threw in a little Vizart. This is the Petites Faux Pastels, and this looks to be a little blue eyeshadow palette if I'm correct. Yes, this is going to be a little blue eyeshadow palette. I know that Vizart is actually quite an expensive brand, and I actually haven't used too much of their stuff. There's some palettes I have used, some I haven't used. This is super cute, very much on the go palette, and I think it's just so adorable. So adorable. Okay, next she threw in, she threw in a Benefit highlight. She threw in a Benefit blush right here, and this is sealed up. I need a Benefit. This is the Benefit blush. This is in shade Krista, and I actually do have this because I am on Benefit Club's PR list. So this is a beautiful, beautiful blush. Too bad it wasn't one of the shades that came in broken, because that would have been so cool. Oh my god, it smells so good. So definitely need to pass this along to one of you guys. That is a fantastic blush. I really do love their new blushes that they rolled out with. I did reach out to the company and let them know I had 3 broken shades, and I got ignored, but whatever. It is what it is. I didn't pay for it, so. All right, next she threw in, let's see, 2 products in this. We have a Givenchy. We have a Givenchy. This is a blurring matte vibrant color. I would assume that this is a blush stick. I would assume, I don't know. It's all in a language that I do not speak. This is the contour lipstick. But I've never, wow, holy shit. This is like velvet. This is velvet. What? I'm gonna sound like I've never experienced luxury before. It's probably because I haven't, but oh my god, it's Givenchy. I'm just gonna say that, Givenchy. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my god, yes, this is such a pretty lipstick. Oh my god, and it's from Givenchy. It's my first Givenchy product. I'm fancy now, guys, so we are moving up in the makeup industry. We're moving up. Okay, next she included the Faux Filter Luminous Matte Liquid Concealer. This is from Huda Beauty. I actually have this concealer and I used it today, but this is in the shade 2.7 Coconut Flakes. I will have to see if this is going to be my exact match, but this is actually a really good concealer. I really do enjoy it. I took it with me when I went to Texas. I've been using it a lot recently, and now I'm tearing the box open because I don't know why I can never open these right. I just don't get what's wrong with me. But here we have the coconut one. I'm going to see if this is a good match, because if it is, I'm going to keep it. If not, I am going to pass this along because I really do enjoy the Faux Filter concealer. I think it's freaking fantastic, and that's so exciting. So exciting. And I tore the box, so I do apologize. All right, guys, we have one more. I will say she wraps these so damn good that I feel like I need to step up my game whenever I send out boxes, because I do not wrap these things as good as she does. And like, I will spend like 5 minutes just unwrapping. She does such a great job. And the packaging is so pretty. So in here we have NARS. This is the Shimmer Underrated Eyeshadow Palette. What? Let's take a look at this. Definitely not a color scheme for me personally, but it is a very, very cute palette. I think it's definitely an everyday wearable palette for sure. So I think that it is cute in that aspect. I do really enjoy their shimmers, and it's been a long time since I played with it's been a long time since I played with a NARS palette, so that's actually really, really, really exciting. Holy shit, Amy. Wow, you really outdid yourself. So now I'm going to take a look at the price points, everything, and then we're going to add up the value. We're not going to count the Dermalogica skincare because that is a free gift. So let's go ahead and add up everything. I love that she does this. And she also has stuff as new releases. Like, the fact that she's putting new releases in here, that's just insane. Okay, so let's add this up really fast. All right, guys, so the approximate value is $417, and I think she did an absolutely incredible job. She included 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new products, and I know they're new because obviously you guys know that I keep up to date with all the new releases, and she threw in new releases in here, and that is absolutely incredible. I am seriously blown away by this mystery box. This is how a mystery box should be done, just like this. She did an absolutely fantastic job. Not only are there 2 palettes in here, we have 2, this one's definitely new, 2 palettes in here. We have a foundation, a brand new concealer, a brand new bronzer, we have a lipstick, we have a blush, we also have a new eyeshadow palette, we have mascara, we have lip gloss, and we also have skincare right here. Holy shit, Amy, this was freaking fantastic. Wow. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, if I paid for this box, I'd be so freaking ecstatic, because this is exactly what I'm looking for in terms of a mystery box. I want to pay for something luxurious like this to get back items worth a higher value. To me, that is absolutely worth it, and I think, Amy, you did such a wonderful job. I loved unboxing your first box. This box is just chef's kiss. It's 10 times better. Definitely worth the value. So I'll make sure I'll link her Poshmark closet down below. Go check it out. She has different levels of mystery boxes from $80 all the way up to $250, and she makes sure you guys get your values worth in terms of makeup products. She throws in new products. She throws in classic products. They're all brand new, never been used, never been opened, and she curates the foundations and concealer to match your specific skin tone, which I think is absolutely absolutely incredible. So Amy, thank you so much for this kick-ass box. I love it. I cannot wait to see what you roll out with next in terms of more mystery boxes. So with that said, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, so I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's all for life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Just a quick heads up, guys, this is a pre-filmed video, but if you guys haven't seen, I am in Miami because I'm currently with Over Team celebrating my new bundle that I created. It's officially live, so go check it out, get your hands on my bundle, and yeah. Hey guys, what's up? I screamed that. Okay, so on August 7th, okay guys, Amy, thank you so much for sending this over to me. So that she could definitely add up the value yourself to let you know. So you could add up the value yourself, what your foundation stage.